Hello, today we will be learning the steps to performing matrix multiplication. Step 1 is acquiring your matrices. For matrix 1, in this example, we'll have the elements of 1, 9, 4, and 6. We will then multiply it by matrix 2, which contains the elements of 7, 6, 4, and 1, to find the third matrix for the elements we do not yet know. Step 2 is performing the dot product, which is taking the first row of the first matrix and multiplying it with the first column of the second matrix matching numbers, and then sum them up. I have the entire equation labeled out right here in an easiest form. We'll be using the first row of the first matrix, which is 1 and 9, listed here, and the first column of the second matrix, which is 7 and 4, which are listed here, and multiplying them. For this, we'll be multiplying the first number and the second number. So 1 times 7 plus 9 times 4, which gives us the final product of 43. You then must do this for all of the remaining rows and columns. So I have the last three equations labeled out here, using this row for this column and this row for both of these columns. As you can see here, we get the final totals of 15, 52, and 30. And then these are how you list it is here. So we have our final matrix equation here. The first matrix, second matrix, and then finally the third matrix, all in the order that we put it in. 43, 15, 52, and 30, all depending on which way you multiplied it. Thank you.